Hi, I'm Leslie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the two most important things to make your life happy. But first, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that you get more information whenever it's posted here. So today, talking about the two important things that can transform your happiness in life. The first thing, of course, is your health. And that is exactly what I did. My health was not doing too well because I was always slightly overweight. And when I came across Herbalife Nutrition, I didn't think that this was going to be anything that I could do. But, women, a little bit vain, I thought, well, if I could lose maybe half a stone, that's 7 pounds, 3 kilos, for those of you who don't speak stones. If I could lose that little bit around the tummy, around the spare tire, I would be quite happy. So that's what I did. I tried Herbalife Nutrition and found that this spare tire, this tummy of mine, actually didn't weigh half a stone. It weighed more like 1.5 stone, which is 21 pounds, approximately 10 kilos. It disappeared round that area that always stuck, whatever diet I went on, it disappeared. And I felt so good. I felt happy. I felt successful because I'd lost that weight. And on top of that, people around me were commenting and they were saying, what's happened to you? And to me it was a miracle because I'd been on dozens of diets before that I'd just made up myself, and I thought that I knew all about my body and all about what I should feed it, and none of them worked. They all ended up giving me more of a tummy than I had before I started. So that was a failure. But when I got onto Herbalife Nutrition, actually, what was happening? I didn't really understand it, but because I was getting this right nutrition and I was getting the results, then it was working. And my weight was dropping off me. I was having 2 Herbalife shakes a day and things were looking really good. I was still eating the foods that I loved, but it was just regulating everything for me. Not only that, but my skin cleared up, my hair grew longer, my nails were so long I had to keep cutting them. My energy levels were great, my PMT problems had gone, my sinus problems went as well. So these were all kind of like side effects. All the good nutrition was giving me side effects. So as a result of that, I took a look at this business opportunity because you know what? As far as I'm concerned, I would never been able to recommend something that I didn't believe in. So just as if you've read a good book or you've been to a great restaurant or you've seen a good film or there's a good box set on Netflix, those are the things that you can recommend to your friends. And similarly, my Herbalife Nutrition experience meant that I could recommend to my mother and to her friends and a few other people that I worked with. And it kind of snowballed from there. And that takes me to the second part of what I was going to share with you, and that is wealth. How have you got your life worked out for you financially? Are you relying on a boss, or are you, like me, running your own business? Have you got an income that comes in all the time? Have you got a setup where you're not having to exchange the number of hours for the amount of money that comes into your bank account? So in other words, have you got a flexible business whereby the more you do doesn't necessarily relate to the money that you're making? So what I mean by that is this. Usually you get X amount of money for X amount of hours at work. If, however, you want more money, normally you need to do X plus Y amount of hours to get X plus Y amount of work. Maybe you get 2 jobs, maybe you get 3 jobs. But what if you had a business where that wasn't the case? What if you had a business where You put in quite a lot of work to begin with, and you create your future income. What if you create an income that just ticks over even when you want to go away on holiday, even when you want to run your life from home how you want to run it? What if you can wake up when you want to and go to bed when you want to and not have to worry about what's the boss going to say? That's the kind of true wealth, in my opinion, a business where you can be your own boss and see the money coming in as and when you choose. So give me a call if you think that this is something that might be of interest to you. Comment below if you want any more information, and you will see in the links below some of my contact information. So talk to you soon. Bye for now.